Track days are a blast. You get to drive fast without getting pulled over. What's not a blast is slow fill-ups or running out of fuel. Tera Pump has a couple of options to get you full and back on the track. The jug and pump combo is the perfect addition to your racing gear. The jugs come in multiple size options, including these 3 and 5 gallon sizes. But the star of this show is the pump. It's a battery-operated fuel transfer pump that runs on 4 AA batteries. But if you find yourself with only 2 good batteries, it can operate on that amount as well. The pump securely attaches to the jug, making sure you don't leak fuel all over the place. Something to note about the jug and pump combo, it is not to be used with anything other than racing fuel. It is not compatible with the following liquids: safety is a must when using fuels. The pump will automatically stop when the tank is full, so there's no worry about overfilling or getting fuel all over your clothes. Included is a 51-inch discharge hose, so you can pump the fuel in without breaking your back. Another thing that can kill a track day is losing time. The pump with this combo is high speed. It can pump up to 2.3 gallons a minute. No waiting around, just fill up and get back on the track. If you're interested in the pump and jug combo from Tera Pump, check out the store locator on screen or in the description. Be sure to check back each week for new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.